Riza Contawi! Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Mandarin Grand Ballroom for the Saika is vlogging, guys. If you want beauty videos for female, I'm gonna link her YouTube down below the description bar, so you better check it out. Again, we are here for the Canon event and Riza Contawi is gonna be here. Riza's one of my inspiration in doing YouTube videos, so I'm really excited to meet her. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye! So this is the Canon M10, guys. I'm actually using the G7X right now. It's only 22,000. Good for vlogging and pictures. If you guys want to start vlogging, this is a really great camera for you, since you can do like selfie, like you can do this, guys. Like you can flip the screen and you can see yourself vlogging and also taking selfies, so it's really convenient. Here is a really expensive one. I don't know. How expensive is this?
M6, sir.
Yeah, and then see Kuya, go. Oh, you can also flip the screen like the G7X and the M10. So earlier, guys, why is there black thingy on my camera lens? Okay, it's done. Earlier, guys, I was in Chonghua Hospital. I mean, not in Chonghua, but like beside Chonghua, because I got my teeth x-rayed. I'm suffering right now from wisdom tooth. What do you call that? Like the impacted. I don't know if it's impacted, but yeah, it's like impacted wisdom tooth. It's really painful. I'm so glad medicine is there. I'm so glad medicine is available. Right now, they're just doing the final touches, and we're really early for the event, you guys, because today is such a busy day. Canon event, and then the Sunsets Carnival. So yeah, that's really exciting. So I'll take you guys with me. Guys, Riza's there. Oh my god, from the flash, Riza Contawi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm really chill, but my heart's beating so fast right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi! Oh my god! My heart's beating so fast right now. If you only knew. Oh my god, guys. In the flash, Riza Contawi! I watch you every day, girl.
Oh,
so
thank you.
Oh my god, you're so pretty! Yeah.
Is it wrong? Very wrong. Nagpa-facial ako. So alam niyo
mga yeah.
Sabi ko, ginawa mo?
Yeah.
Magko-Korea?
When are you going to Korea ba?
Bukas, ng gabi.
Okay, so your flight's tonight.
Oo. I know. Babalik ng Manila.
Okay.
And then gabi. Diretso ako.
Okay. I'm so glad I met you guys. I love her so much. When did you arrive? Today?
Oo, asan ka karating ka dyan? Ang
Really?
Nagpa-facial ako. Asan naman di na mukha ako, may kapan ko ha. Bawal nga. Yun eh. Diniis ko na lang sabi ko. Grabe dito. Hindi ba nalata? Eh syempre, saan damakmak na kasi. Kung makalata pa, ewan ko na lang.
Guys, so this is the behind the scenes of Riza Contawi's vlog. Guys, if you can see, I'm gonna link. Hi! Oh my god! Hi! What's up?
Ang ganda ng pasok niya.
Wait, promote yourselves! Yes, follow me, Saika Nikki, on my YouTube channel, okay? I do makeup as well, but Riza is the best.
Hi, I'm Christian Layasi, Man Beauty Guru. So if you guys love vlogs and lifestyle and beauty, go check out my channel, Christian Layasi. Thanks, Riza!
Beauty!
Beauty!
Beauty Gurus represent!
We're so beautiful!
Yay!
Food, tuna sandwich. Why do I have like black strips?
Our beautiful vlogger herself. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Miss Riza Contawi.
There you go. Hi everyone. Say hi. Alam ko, daghang salamat for having me here. Canon, thank you so much. Thank you, Cebu, and thank you I'd like to give a special shout out sa mga pumunta, my friends, my subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for coming. So, as mentioned nga, I will be talking about vlogging. I'm a YouTube content creator. Let me introduce myself. Since community manager, I handle all social media channels, I do like the copywriting and everything. And then itong boss ko, nagmamaganda siya talaga. Siya yung nag-rant na lang. Magaling siya. Magaling siyang writer naman talaga. I give it to her. And then, nung binabasa niyo yung mga articles ko kasi I do blogs, sabi niya, she's not really that of a creative writer. Nagpapagabasa niya. So ako parang, naubos ko yung synonyms na isang word. Parang sa article, hindi mo ulit-ulit yung isang word. Ano yung sobrang ginandama, pero hindi ako creative writer. Okay. Tinanggap na lang, okay, hindi ako creative writer. So, sabi ko, you know what, maybe, hindi ko talaga strength in creative writing to do a blog. Because I used to do, or I started sa blog, manila.rose.com. So, sabi ko, you know what, marami nagre-request, why don't you do a tutorial? Why don't you just do it on screen on YouTube? So that for us to see it easily and for us to follow, mas madali. And then full-time, I've been doing this for a year now. I started April 2016 full-time. And it grew really, really well. I'm happy for less than a year. It's a good milestone. And so, I think I can share with you my personal experiences on how I... First one is your goal. Stick to that vision. Hindi ka dapat lalayo na doon. I want my vision na it will be a positive vlog. Good vibes lang pagdating sa vlogs ko and my channels. I will stick to that. Meaning, kung gagawa ko ng vlogs, less on ranting, less on opinionated things, auto-focusing, kung tamad kayo. Minsan ako, auto-auto na lang. Imagine mo na laging may bagong dumarating sa videos mo. So, lagi niyo silang i-welcome, kahit yung ganun lang na, hindi naman na, hi guys, I'm Raisa Montawi in 25 Philippines! Hindi naman ganun introduction. Pwede naman, just, lagi nila mag-hi. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you notice, I say welcome to my channel instead of the usual na welcome back to my channel. Kasi not all people, kakabalik nila or hindi lahat second time or hindi first time. I always think na bagong dating sila sa channel and I welcome them. So, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And then, introduce what you're going to do. Or pwede magbigay muna kayo ng overview. Parang kami, for example, kami ni Christian. Parang kami si G7X. But what will set us apart? Kami, personality namin. Pwede iba yung vlog niya, pwede ibang format, pwede ibang topic, pwede ibang feel. Kaya dun yung iba manonood, or papanoorin nila if, let's say, they're feeling down. Ako naman gusto ko matuto. Punta naman ako kay Raisa, or punta naman kay Zaika. I want to be remembered more than to be just known by a lot of heads. I can have 50 subscribers lang compared to 300,000. But that 50,000 subscriber, when they hear my name and when they see my content, it marks. Instead of like 300 na pinanood, natameme kasi walang napulot. So, think about your quality and your personality because I kid you not, yun ang magdadala sa inyo sa kung ano gusto yung marating when it comes to your career. If you want this to be a career. Because this can be a personal thing. You can keep vlogs for the sake of, let's say, documenting your dog's life. Because that's what I do. You know, I vlog because there's a dog. They can't live no longer. I mean, as long as we want them to. And I vlog because I just want to go back to my videos kapag nawala. Alam mo yun, may ganung moments, may ganung sentimental values. To claim it and own it. Be confident on what you do. If I ask you to become a vlogger, raise your hand. Ano yun? Parang confidence as in the vlogger. Paano ka mag-vlog in public? Nasa supermarket ka. Pero ito naranasan ko, true story. Sa SM Supermarket. So, mag-vlog. Nandito ang angulo ng camera. Ayaw ba? Ang puro baba ko yung nakikita. Nandito tayo ngayon sa ano. Kasi, bibili kasi naman. Alam na! Di ba imagine? Tapos, kapag kami pinili mo, ito yung ingredients ng adobo. Manok. Ayaw, tapos sinago mo. Sibuyas. Diba? Parang ano sa shoplift, mas mahuhuli ka nun. So, another dilemma ng mga vloggers is their confidence in public to vlog without being judged. I mean, why would you be judged? It's 2017. And YouTube is all over the place. So, I think it's nothing new. You know what I mean? So, huwag naman sobrang lakas kasi, yung agaw attention. Hindi man kailangan malaman ng ibang tao na lulutuin mo adobo. Para malaman ng ingredients. Diba? So, yung tama lang para lang ma-reach ng mic yung voice mo with clarity. Tapos, tatandaan nyo, maging conscious din kayo sa placement ng mic kapag built-in. Kasi, dati common mistake ko, sobrang adjust ko. Blah, blah, blah. Ang haba ko ganyan. Buong microphone natakpan ko. Wala. Scrap of lahat ng material ko. Wala akong na-upload sa vlog ngayon kahit sobrang importante. Kasi, hello guys, nandito nga sa Korea ng ano nang mangyayari, anong hindi naintindihan. You cannot use that. Hindi mo pwedeng i-voice over. Ano ba sinabi ko doon sa
Okay, we still have lots of prizes to be given away. That's for later. We'll be reserving it for later. But for now, as you can see at the side of our venue, we have installed a...
You first take a picture with Pikachu and then they can immediately print the photo here. And that's what we are doing right now. So 2 talks are already done and it's very informative and we love it so much. Thank you so much for the Canon Philippines. I'm with Naomi! Woo! So much positivity today, right? Woo! The future vlogger. Hi haters, how doubters, I'm still here. So yeah, 2 talks already done and we learned so much from the vlogging 101. I'm with Axe. Hi Axe! If you guys want to know like a site or a page so you can get like so much promo codes, go check out promos.ph. That's handled by X himself. So yeah guys, what are we gonna do? I'm not tired, but my toothache, no, not toothache, like my wisdom tooth really hurts right now, but I'm just
take a bunch of medicine.
Yeah, I already took Advil. Advil is the best. It's okay, I'm gonna have a surgery on Monday for the tooth extraction.
Are you not going to watch the rest?
I'm going! Okay.
We'll be drawing the carton. Another carton before the inside. But please, let's give it up for Canon Philippines.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm editing the vlog right now. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to end the vlog there, but I'm ending the vlog right now. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I really hope you learned something from Riza, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. And if you did, please click the like button because it's freaking free. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. That is at Christian Layasi. See you guys in my next video. But oh, and don't forget to smile because life is a big camera that never stops rolling. Bye!